Hi friends, welcome to week 14. This is just a peek at our week, so it's just an overview of what's going on this week in AVID. Reminder that we have our daily Google Meets at 10:50, so each day I kind of describe what we're doing during those. They usually only take about 5 minutes, and then I let you go work. So joining those is helpful. So typically, we always do a study session of sorts and then a digital tutorial form for our tutorial that we're going to do as a class on Wednesday. Remember, you just submit your question ahead of time in that Jamboard. There's directions in this folder in Schoology, and then you just show up to the tutorial, pull up your Jamboard, and you get all your points that way, okay? If you choose option 2 to do the digital TRF, do not forget that you need a 4-minute video of you working through your problem and explaining it. And that needs to be linked to your digital TRF form. If you don't have that, you're going to lose a lot of points because that is the main point of that, because you skipped the tutorial session with your peers, so there was no collaboration, okay? Some other things going on this week. Study session Tuesday, like always. The other thing that we are going to do is watch a video documentary. So your stuff for AVID is going to be fairly short this week because there are quick writes that go with each section of the documentary that I created. But the documentary as a whole is only an hour long, okay? And I give you 3 days to work on this. So Monday, Thursday, and Friday, because there are 6 quick writes, okay? But that's exactly what they are, quick writes. So they go pretty quick, okay? So what I would do if I were you, here's the video link. I would split the video up into 3 parts, okay? So you're watching approximately 20 minutes each day, and then doing your 2 quick writes, which will not take you probably more than 10 minutes. So those go pretty fast. The video is about a few kids who are first-generation college students, and I know some of you are first-generation college students as well, so you might be able to relate a little bit. Even if you're not, you can probably relate to some of the struggles that they've experienced, or some of the worries that they have about going to college and things like that. So that's why we watch this one. It's kind of neat. It's part of our AVID curriculum that AVID gives us to check it out. And they have some other really cool documentaries too, related to like overcoming obstacles and stuff like that. We might watch some of those later on or into second semester. So the video is linked here. And then you have all 6 quick writes. You're doing 2 quick writes a day, and it tells you which quick write is part of which part of the video, so it should be able to help you there. Let me know if you have questions. Otherwise, have a great week. I'll see you at our Google Meet on Monday.